So today we are going to show you a hair tutorial that would be great for Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Or
Great
any
for
day.
anything, but
You know,
tis the season.
it's kind of heart looking in the back. Anyhow,
Is it?
kind of. I don't know.
Casey's actually going to be doing my hair because I will not have a mirror and it's very hard when you can't see what's happening in the back. I'll show you a close-up in a second. But she will be doing my hair.
Which is crazy. If I can do it, you can do it.
Whatever, she can do hair. But yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to start off in the front and Casey's going to finish the back. First of all, I have a halo hidden crown extension in. Can you see? Oh, here we go. You can see it right here. So this is a great hairstyle if you want to put one of these in. It's really great to have it in for the thickness of the back part. But the front part, what I'm going to do is just grab this little section, or this big section right here, and I'm just going to make sure that there's enough hair still down to cover up my extension right here, okay? And then I'm just going to twist all of this hair, pretty good twist, and I'm going to pull it back, and I'm just going to use a bobby pin to hold it in place for now. I'm just putting a little bobby pin in. Then I'm going to do it to the other side also. Again, I'm just going to make sure this is covered up. And we're twisting away from the face. Well, okay, once I got this back here, I'm going to take this bobby pin out and just make sure it looks right in the front before you... Yeah. I'm actually going to secure it with an elastic, and before I put it in the elastic, I'm just going to pick up some hair right here and add it to that. Okay, so that's the front part, and now Casey's going to do the back.
Alright, so we have Savannah's hair pulled half back here, and now I'm going to create another ponytail down here. I'm going to do my very best to not block what I'm doing.
Give it a turn.
Yeah. So you hold that. You want this pretty close to the scalp. Alright, so you've got these two ponytails on top of each other. And now this one, hold that, you will split in half right down the middle, like that. You can see that. And this is going, I just messed that up, to wrap around it. You see that? So it was like this and like this. And my trusty assistant is going to hand me a hair tie. And you're going to put a rubber band around it, but you're only putting a rubber band around the part that you just wrapped around, not the bottom part. You want it to be pretty tight, and you want it to be like not too far down. And then kind of pull that up. It's clear elastic. What is it?
Rubber band.
And just pull it out like that. And then repeat the one on the bottom, split it in half, and wrap it around. Clear elastic. to make it a little tighter, pull. And you will do that all the way down. Also, so this part looks really weird. So I fixed that by just taking 2 pieces here on the side. Maybe I need to do bigger than that. And off on the side of this, and then just cross over that. And then however you want to secure it, I secured it by just using another elastic. Pull that. You could wrap it around, like just keep wrapping it around, but I really like the simplicity of just that cross right there. You're just going to keep wrapping all the way down. Let me see. All right, so once you get down to the bottom, you're going to have these 2 pieces that are separated. Just put it all together. Okay.
Did you lose?
Yeah, I thought it broke. So yeah, just wrap it around so that it's all one happy family. Okay, so this is the end result. How cute is that? You could do all kinds of fun stuff. Alright guys, so that's how you do this lovely hair. Thank you for watching.
Yes.
Subscribe to see more videos like this. We will be doing more hair tutorials and giving you Instagram tips and all that fun stuff. And who knows?
Who knows what else we'll do. But don't forget to